Today it's Friday, January 23rd, 2026. Yesterday night they brought me the pulse wheel. That's the part number here. They brought me the water pump and they brought me the remaining bolt for the cam adjuster. Alright? And that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna continue closing it. One headache less. Inside of this box I'm gonna put the old pump that I have it here. It's the old pump, and what I'm going to do, I'm gonna get the new friction washers from this DAZA. That for this DAZA I don't have all the parts, and I showed you before that it's half melt the cylinder head. So I'm gonna get this. And whenever they're gonna bring me the two friction washers for the other, I'm gonna put on this. I still have a time for that, right? So, makes sense, I guess. Let me bring the high speed steel. Just double checking the part number, just in case. 105189B. Alright, nice, looks the same. Just a second, let's see what are we gonna see. Yeah, this looks straight to me, and the old one, it doesn't look straight at all. See, it's coming, it's curved here in the middle. The new one, it looks beautiful. Alright, so don't have any headache. And yep, lovely. So this goes here inside, this together here. Let me continue, let me start working on it. I'm covering the engine to set the timing, remove the timing tools and dress with the rest and finalize it. It's gonna be a short video, probably, except if I remember something else. Alright, we're gonna see, we're gonna find out. That's it for now. The engine's on timing. I already spin it twice, I lock it again, and currently I put the plug back, I have put the cover back, the new seal here, the arrangement of these bolts that has a stud. I know that I didn't put it properly. If you go and watch the previous DAZA build, I'm doing all the time. So then most probably this goes here. This is for the pipe that comes here, and this is supposed to come here. I don't remember. It doesn't matter. All right, cover back. Then the friction disc, one inside, the reading wheel, the pulse wheel, and the other friction disc from outside. Ready? Nice, lovely, excellent. PCV, and it's been blocked. Also there. Okay, fine. Here I put also the water pump, yeah, and I block also the vacuum to actuate the pump. We're looking good. I don't have the spark plugs. Ideally, I'm gonna like to have also spark plugs to don't fail anything inside. It will not gonna fail something in, but I'm just saying. I don't know what turbo they're gonna use. The manifold, the intake manifold, I have it, but before I put the intake manifold, I have to put the rail and the wiring. I have the manifold here, I have the basket with the clutches here. Yeah, what I mean by that now, what's the next step? The next step is from the owner how to continue. That's what it is. Ideal, like I said, I want the spark plugs. I'm gonna gap them. How much I'm gonna ask the tuner? I'm gonna gap them, install the spark plugs just in case, to be safe, to get out of the engine room, the engine. Alright, because what I'm gonna do, after an hour, we're gonna cure the sealant all around the cover. I'm gonna wrap it again with nylon, because the spark plugs are on, they are open. If the spark plugs were on, there is no problem, because I have blocked the inlet. I have blocked also for the oil filter housing here with the heat exchanger that comes here, the black one. I block all these things. I block also for the dipstick, for the high pressure pump, it's been blocked, and turbocharger oil return, turbocharger oil feed, and the exhaust side's been blocked. So the only thing that's open currently is the hole for the spark plugs. Yay. Alright. That's it. See you next time. Well, the first start probably. Probably. We're gonna find out. Yeah. Thank you. Over and out.